everyone, I'm back. So today I'm riding the R3 today. Now this is my cousin's bike, you know, Amy. So basically this is her bike and I want to try it out because I was like interested. It's like, because I remember my 250, which is a, what was it, 2006 Ninja 250 or 2003 Ninja 650, something like that. And I want to try out this bike just to get a good idea of what it's like. So I just wanted to put a fresh gas in there and everything, full tank. So far I'm really liking it so far, just by, you know, yes, it's not the fastest today, but you know what, it's very comfortable. That's one thing for sure compared to my R6. Another thing is that it doesn't get like super hard or anything like that. That's another good thing about it that I like about it. So we're gonna take this on the freeway to see a good idea. Since I am the type of person that likes to take things on the freeway a lot because, yeah, well, I like to take in the freeway a lot. Very nice and smooth. It's a bit vibrating now. It's not bad, honestly. Because I'm thinking about getting more of a daily bike, honestly. And honestly, having like a bike like this, I think would be beneficial a lot. Because you get great gas mileage. It's super cheap to insure, to maintain, and everything. Tires are cheap on this. Everything's cheap on it. Now, oh yeah, that reminds me. Sorry I haven't made a video in a while. It's because, yeah, I keep forgetting this is 6-speed, not 5-speed. It's because, you know, I've been really busy and I thought, you know, having time for myself would be nice. And yeah, it was nice and everything. So yeah, so I haven't made a video. Not only that, but my bike is out of commission again. I'm just bopping around, you know, for just no reason, honestly. Oh, this is my old high school. No, not that one. That one, there you go. Not Linda. This is called Metrotech. I used to go here when I was a kid. Good times, good times. I definitely do like the gear indicator. That's really nice. I like this bike a lot so far. It's nice, it's super nimble. Wow, this is like nothing. It's super easy. The suspension, however, is a little soft and everything, I can tell. But at least it gets the job done for just, you know, road riding and everything. I'm not going to take this bike to like South Mountains or anything because, you know, this is my cousin's bike and I don't want to, you know, mess it up or anything like that. Brakes are pretty good. They need to be changed though. I think, oh yeah, I think this is the ABS Model 2, I believe. My God. When I ran my R6 again, whoops, there we go. I'm still trying to get used to this bike. What was I saying? Oh right, so when I ride my R6 again, it's gonna be really weird because I'm gonna be like stalling and everything because I'm not used to it. Especially when you're taking off and everything because it is so light to touch and all that. It is so easy to probably stall on the bigger bike. Oh man, I don't have any cash or anything like that. That was random. I also noticed like it hasn't been getting hot. Like the bike is just, you know, when I put my, compared to my FR and R6, the FR was bad because how the frame was designed and everything. The frames, it just gets cooked up with the heat. The R6 is a lot better, but the R3 is, it's not even a problem. Looks like it needs to tune up. See how this bike does at the freeway. Hi. See the head nod. Oh yeah, this thing goes way better than my 250. Holy smokes. I'm impressed. Because before, when I had my 250, it was like 10,000 RPMs, but the R3, wow, it's not that bad. Because, you know, it's fuel injected and better, you know, parts and everything. Wow. I'm ready to keep it with track. I'm passing somebody right now on Honda. Woo. Oh, this is awesome. This is so awesome. I actually might want to trade my bike for this bike, honestly. I honestly do feel like it for right now, but I'm pretty sure later on I think I know I'm gonna get sick and tired of it. But I know it's not to compare to my Ninja 250. That's for sure. You know, like I said, you know, the R3 is super easy to ride, super easy to maintain. It's fuel injected. Oh, okay, you're good. Yeah, it's not fast, but it can keep on the freeway perfectly fine. I'm not going to 101 though. No, that place is sketchy. If you don't know, the 101, people just go over 100 miles an hour over there all the time. And the road over there ain't fast. Oh yeah, the fast button too, that's cool. Yeah, it's corn too, yay. Wow, I like this. Now, there was a couple of things I would definitely do to it. First thing is maybe add like a power commander up to it, as always. Whoa. Good? Okay, it's good. Oh, that's super easy. Oh yeah, I forgot, this does have some really good tires on these too. I forgot about what my cousin did to it. I think there's some sort of Michelin tires, like track tires almost. Really sticky tires. I'm gonna take this bike home and give it a good wash. Nice. It's so nice. Hey. Oh, now there's a power plant over there. Hello, officer. It's nice to meet you. I'm not speeding. I'm a level 300. Yeah. Fuck off. Sure, how you been doing, Willis? It's 300. I think that's a guess. God damn it. And I got video evidence I have not done wheelies. Or even attempted to. Huh. Alright, earlier today, some asshole is like I was trying to change lane, and so the guy who was in that lane that I have enough space to change it to, he decided to gut it, press the gas, and like went around me, brake checked me and everything. Just that's when I pulled my phone up of him brake checking me and everything. I told him took it from the junkyard. Like, oh! I'm okay. Okay, just yourself. Never go there again. Never stick to this road because of that. Oh, full throttle. Woo. And then it has power way up there for a 300. Wow, that traffic, oh crazy. No, I'm glad I got here sooner because it would have been later, but I'll be stuck in there. But like, well, crap. Before I think about taking it, like, I don't get this. Why do you have so much room right here? Well, fuck it, I'll take it. I know. Since you don't want to move up, I'll take it. Like, here's the thing, I just don't get it. Like, do they not know the length of their car or something? Like, you get much closer, yeah, that's perfectly fine. Yeah, for like right now, my legs aren't cooking, which is nice. I like that. Yeah, I'm missing having a small displacement bike, but is it good for the freeway? Maybe so, yeah. But I guess I'm just so used to have a 600 power band on the freeway where it's not, you're able to accelerate so much faster and everything, and it's not so vibrating. But yeah, overall, you know, an R3 could be a good, perfect bike for everything, really, you know. For daily, track riding, freeway riding, and all that. It can be for a freeway, yeah, but there's definitely some bigger bikes out there. But can you? Yeah, no problem. So, I hope you liked this video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and like I said before, sorry I haven't making updates on the videos because, you know, I've been taking my own time, you know, relaxing for a bit. But if you have any questions, let me know. Right down in the description how you think about video and what else I should talk about. And see y'all later. Bye bye.